Today, there is very important thing, and there is something I want every English learner to remember. You don't have to become fluent overnight. You just have to keep moving forward. Maybe your English is not where you want it to be yet. Maybe you understand English when someone speaks, but you still struggles to respond. Maybe you know many words, but you don't have always know how to use them. And sometimes you may compare yourself with people speak English much better than you. Please don't forget where you started. If you can speak one sentence today that you could not speak a few months ago, that's a progress. If you understand video that you could not understand before, that's a progress. If you remember a word and use it naturally in a conversation, that's progress too. Learning a language takes time. You will have a good days and you will have days when you feel like you are not improving at all. That's all a normal thing. Progress is not always easy to see while you are making it. Let me give you an example. Think about a plant. You put a seed in the soil, give it water and wait. You don't see a big chance every morning, but underneath the soil, something is happening. English can be like that. Every sentence you listen to, every word you remember, every conversation you practice, and every mistake you correct is adding something to your learning. So, dear brother, don't be afraid of simple English. Say, I'm tired. Say, I'm going to work. Say, the weather is so beautiful. Say, how are you? Say, I am fine. Say, I'm meeting. I'm playing cricket. I'm playing something else. Say whatever you can say. You don't need complicated words to communicate. You need to become comfortable using the words you already know. And please don't wait for perfect grammar before you speak. Grammar is important, but mistakes are also part of learning. If you make a mistake, notice it, correct it, and try again. The goal is not to speak perfect English every single time. The goal is to become a little more comfortable speaking English than you were yesterday. And if you don't have anyone around you to practice with, practice by yourself. Talk about your day. Describe your surroundings. Tell yourself what you are doing. Record your voice and listen to it later. You may feel strange at first, but that's okay. You are building a habit. And most importantly, don't compare yourself with other speakers because you are not yet at that point. Someone else may have been learning English for 10 years. You may have started only recently. Your journey is your own. So keep learning, keep listening, keep speaking, keep making mistakes, keep trying again. One day you will look back and realize that the English you once struggled to speak has become much easier. And that day will come because you didn't stop. And that's all what you should do right now. So this is me, Hizbullah, and this is Dear Hizb. If you are learning English with me, let's keep improving together. One sentence, one conversation, and even one word one day at a time. Your English does not have to be perfect today. It just needs to be better than yesterday. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching and keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself, and I will see you in the next video.